they basically hold your hand and guide you through the whole thing. We're first-time home buyers, so it was nice to have somebody guide you throughout the entire thing.
We shopped other home builders online, and we just overall liked Tabor's style, and we knew people who had gone through Tabor and said really good things about them.
Some of my favorite things are the open floor plan of the living room and kitchen area.
I really like the mud bench we added. It makes it super easy whenever we're coming in the garage door to just like kick our shoes off, and it still look really neat and everything inside.
I guess something we didn't realize about the home that we would like so much is the sprinkler system. Makes it super easy. Just almost out of sight, out of mind. The warranty portal is super convenient, super easy. Tabor has responded in a timely manner, day of, and gotten a contractor out to fix the issue.
I definitely would recommend Homes by Tabor to friends and family. I feel like all the included features in the home make it more than worth the price, and just the way they've taken care of us throughout the whole process has been really great.